Behold, the elevators at the Quay Condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. They're modernized. Well, PTL buttons? I like PTL buttons so much. They used to be Otis Lexan for decades, I think. This is my key theory. Oh look, PTL lanterns, love it. Oh, there's my security camera. Let's go up to 25, close the door. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, here are 25. Let's take it down to 1. Man. Oh, they talk. Wow, look at these brailleys. They're like small. Get to the other one. Let's get the other one. Oh, look. I wonder why it said 25. 25, they are like 2 in the top, 5 in the bottom. Look at those brailleys, man. They're like small when they should have, they should not move them here. And what's with the ThyssenKrupp Sigma fixtures? What's with the ThyssenKrupp fixtures? Absolutely no idea. But those elevators are taking too long. Here's this one. With the padding in it. Let's go back to 1. Let's go get a cab view. My goodness, it's a little dark. A little dark for a cab like that. Here's your certificate. Merciful button. Capacity is 2,100 pounds. My word. I have no idea they have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I have no idea they have those fixtures. So immediately cool. And they talk too. Let's watch it close. Plant it.